Skittles.
Me.
Well, when I found out I had to do a science fair topic, I saw one of them involve Skittles, so I thought it looked like a fun idea. So that's why I chose Skittle science. Have you ever noticed that sometimes when you are holding a Skittle, the color will get on your hand? Maybe whenever your hands are sweatier, that your hands will get messier. And sweat is a liquid. So I decided to choose the science fair question, which liquid will dissolve the color coating on Skittles candy the fastest, on a green Skittles candy the fastest. So I chose 5 liquids: bleach, alcohol, water, 6 liquids: lemon juice, vinegar, and 7-Up. And then I researched exactly what each liquid contained. Like I found out that 7-Up is mostly made up of carbonated water, and I also found out that vinegar is the most acidic of my liquids. Based off of this research, I created my hypothesis, which is an educated guess answering the question that I had. And my hypothesis was that vinegar will dissolve the color coating on the Skittles candy the fastest because it's the most acidic of my liquids and acid breaks down food. And so what I did was I would put the green Skittle in the cup, and as soon as I put it in, I'd start the timer and I would observe what happened. Like you could come up afterward and look closer at the pictures, but in the 7-Up, the bubbles were shooting out and the color went all over the cup. In the vinegar, the color went to the edges. The same happened with the water and with the alcohol. With the bleach, the color did not go anywhere, but instead it just completely disappeared. My hypothesis was that vinegar would dissolve the Skittle the fastest because it's the most acidic of my liquids and acid breaks down food. But you can see on this chart here, which is from the longest to the fastest to dissolve, that 7-Up was actually the fastest to dissolve it. And I think that the reason that 7-Up was the fastest is because that it's mostly carbonated water, so the fizz would cause extra movement and that would make it dissolve faster. And so 7-Up was first with an average time of 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Vinegar was second at 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Water was third at 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Bleach was fourth at 2 minutes and 43 seconds. And alcohol was last with an average time of 13 minutes and 50 seconds. I originally had lemon juice in my experiment, but after I had tested each other liquid, I realized that lemon juice is not transparent like these other ones, so I couldn't observe the Skittle on the bottom. So I had to hold it on a spoon. Lemon juice would have been the fastest, but I moved the spoon occasionally. That could have made it dissolve faster than it actually would have, so that's why I didn't include lemon juice in my results. If I were to do this experiment again, I'd make sure that all of my liquids were transparent, and I'd also like to see if different colors dissolve at different rates. I would also add salt water as a liquid, so it could be more like the sweat on your hand. Thank you, and I'm now ready for any questions that you might have. Yeah?
So